is a professional manufacturer of wiring harness and cable assembly. Today, I'm going to introduce you wiring harness for snowblade or truck. We have two kinds of wiring harness with our own tools and OEM designs. If you have any interest, please contact.
Main features: wiring harness and wiring cables are what help provide power to the snowblower from your plow truck battery and pass power through to the rest of the snowblower, such as the module box of the snowplow application, Boss snowblade, Yamaha snow sweepers.